Posta akuma kaunti ya Nakuru nimmagomete na kuria marurunganite makienda magie kivoto kiao. Aruti aya matirivite micara yao kwa kavinda ka mieri 5. Nimavitukirite thina nene mieri 5 magitariria marakarite ni ta uria andu maramama njavu wa kuvingurwo nyumba ciao na ciana ciao cia skuru kwingatwo tondu wa kwaga kurima vithi.
Some of us, their houses are locked already. And they are sleeping in this. If you come here, even if you can walk here at night, you can see young men inside these boxes. There are young men and women that he employed the other day, with the children going to school, with people living in rental houses. When he sits at his office, what goes into his mind about these young men and even old men that are here, that have children that goes to school, that have houses to pay to the landlords? What goes into his mind as a leader, as a CEO that is put in that place to take care of us?
Dukingi kira kira mavawagagu ni ta uria misara yao itinagwa gicunji kigana ona ta cia kuriva NHIF na NSSF no mathi kuroria mbia ciao itikinyaga.
We also have other things to talk about. In post office, there are things, there are remittances, statutories that are supposed to be taken. They are deducted from our pay slips and they are not remitted to where they're supposed to go.
Thina wingi uria maravitukira ni ta kuvinyirirwo wirari na uria atongoria ao marauga ati no ni marandika aruti wira aniyo.
Number 3, intimidation and harassment. We don't want intimidation, we don't want harassment. The PMD is hiring, he's saying he cannot pay us, but he's hiring.
Vonge ithurano ya IEBC wanayo ni imwe ya itumi tondu vuva aruti acio a wira kwa marutira wira irinda riria ithurano matia mariva.
Another thing ni mambo ya IEBC. In fact I believe tulipiga kura when almost 2 inaelekea. Up to now IEBC hawajawahi lipa post na tulikuwa tunafanya hiyo kazi throughout.
Otauria aruti aya wira akuma kaunti ya Nakuru marakaya ni turacoka kumenya mathina maria maravitukira tingurani ta maruti wira a Posta akuma kaunti ya Embu aria magomire. Ngirivotera Muthingi TV mbitagwo Mwende wa mbere.
Aya thegi muno mundu gwitwo Mwende ni undu wa riboti hiyo. Thikiriria riboti haha. Family imwe kuma mwena wa Kamulugu kune kaunti-ini